Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to focus on pictures category. At the first position we have swipe shutter button to add to option, so let's pick it and decide between take burst shot or create GIF. Now let's stay on take burst shot, and when we go back to the camera and slide our shutter button to down edge, we can take series of pictures in a really fast way, so our burst shot. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.